Khalid from class 9.
This is me, Aisha Wasim from class 9. Today my topic is discovery of electron, proton and neutron. Firstly, atomic Dalton atomic theory explains the chemical nature of matter and the existence of invisible atom. But in the end of 19th century, subatomic particles were discovered by different scientists. First subatomic particle is electron, which is discovered by J.J. Thomson in 1886. 1886, the discovery of by discharge tube. In the discharge tube, there is two charges, cathode and anode. Cathode possesses negative charge, anode possesses positive charge. Properties of electron: they travel in a straight line from cathode toward anode. Second, discovery of proton. Second subatomic particle is proton, which is discovered by Rutherford in 1886. 1886, proton. These positive rays passes through cathode holes toward anode toward cathode. In the discovery of neutron. The 12th subatomic particle is neutron. Neutron is a fundamental part of an atom. It present in nucleus and with proton in atomic mass. Properties of neutron. The neutron means neutral particle. The neutral have no charge. The mass of neutron is almost equal to the proton.